Yeah, oh no indeed.
The National Weather Service
Well, I'm dead.
has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Livingston County, Kentucky, central Marshall County, Kentucky, Lyon County, Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Benton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. Following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Eddyville around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Grand Rivers and Catawba. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Livingston, Lyon, and Marshall. Severe thunder.